I'm so sorry I'm late. You know, the traffic was crazy. I'm sorry.
Come on, no problem. I was wondering if you wouldn't come. You know these Instagram ladies. But hey, you're very beautiful. Wow, even more beautiful than the pictures on Instagram.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You don't look bad as well. Yeah.
Thank you. What should I offer you?
A glass of juice will be okay.
A glass of juice?
Yes.
Waitress, come on please, I need a glass of juice for my princess. Or should I call you my angel on earth? Come on waitress, I need a glass of juice. It's so amazing to meet you for the first time. It's just a privilege to me.
I'm happy to meet you too.
So tell me, how come a beautiful, sweet, sexy, edible and sumptuous lady like you
Thank you.
is still single?
It's because maybe I haven't met my kind of man yet.
You haven't met your kind of man yet? Well, I guess I'm tickling your boxes.
So tell me, what about you?
Well, my last relationship didn't end up well, so I'm waiting for some time.
I'm curious. What happened?
She broke up with me because I forgot to wait for her, take picture of the food and post it on TikTok. Can you imagine these influencers?
Really?
She became angry and left, and that was all till now.
Wait, this really sounds funny, but I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. Forgive me.
Come on, why saying you are so sorry? At least it's a privilege for me to meet you.
So do you live far from here?
No, why?
I had a long trip. I'm so tired. I wish I can rest for a while.
Oh, you know what? Let me pay the bills and get home, So I have an AC. I'll just put the AC on and for you to have a wonderful time to rest at my place so that you're going to enjoy, okay?
Excuse me, I want to use the washroom.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. All right. That's fine. Did you go to the men's washroom?
Yeah, I went in there to pee. I told you, right?
What the Bobrisky fuck? Wait. Why are you a man?
Both.
Oh, senior man. Why? Waitress, my party go sort you out there. Charlie, this at the bounce.
What?
Come on, Charlie, make him no talk what at the bounce. Give me the booze, Charlie, at the bounce. At this one there, you catch you at the camera. Idiot, dimmy. You go pay, eh?
Oh, where are you going?
Actually, this one they left small. Man, look at your skin.
Did you just watch him leave?
Yes, no more than you.
Where are you going?